Lecture 5: The Soft Strength of a Smile. Hello, my love. Today, I want to talk about something so simple, yet so powerful. Your smile. It's easy to forget how much strength lives in softness. We think strength has to be loud, sharp, or unshakable, but sometimes the strongest thing you can do is smile. Your smile changes the room. It calms storms. It softens tension. It invites closeness. And the beautiful thing is, it costs you nothing, yet gives him everything. Before you use your smile, I want you to feel it. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Inhale slowly and exhale fully. Relax your jaw. Let the corners of your lips lift, even just a little. Now whisper this mantra to yourself. My smile is soft. My smile is strong. My smile invites love. Do you feel how even your own body shifts when you do that? Imagine. Imagine what it does to him. I I remember a night when tension was thick between us. Words had been short, the air heavy. He sat at the table, distant, quiet. I could feel the wall between us. Part of me wanted to press in to ask what was wrong, to demand connection, but instead I paused. I softened, and when he finally looked up at me, I simply smiled. It was not a forced smile, ladies, not a pretend everything is fine smile, ladies. It was a soft, steady, loving smile. And in that moment, I saw his shoulders drop. His face softened. He reached across the table and touched my hand. That one smile shifted the energy from distance back to closeness. That night reminded me, softness doesn't mean powerlessness. It means you're leading with your feminine strength. When you smile, something magical happens inside your body. Your shoulders drop, your breath deepens, and your nervous system shifts out of tension. A real smile releases calming chemicals that ease stress and lift your mood, almost like your body is whispering back, you are safe. You are loved. And because energy is contagious, the moment you soften with a smile, his body mirrors yours. His heart rate slows, his guard lowers, and he feels pulled closer without you saying a single word. So here are some examples of when to use your beautiful smile. When he walks through the door after work, instead of listing the stresses of the day right away, greet him with a soft smile. Hi, love. I'm glad you're home. In disagreement, when tensions rises, pause, soften your face, and smile before you respond. It resets the energy instantly. In intimacy, hold his gaze, smile softly, and let your eyes say, I adore you, baby. That one moment draws him closer than words. In everyday life, hand him a coffee in the morning with a warm smile and make this routine. It actually becomes intimacy in action. So, your affirmation for today: my smile is not weakness, it is my feminine strength. My smile is not weakness, it is feminine strength. So, my love, the next time you feel tension, distance, or even silence between you, don't rush to fill it with words. Try something gentler. Breathe, pause, soften, smile. Because your smile is more than expression, it's energy. It says, I choose love over walls. I choose softness over hardness. I choose connection over conflict. And when you lead with that, you invite him into the sweetest space of all, the space where love can breathe again. If this spoke to your heart, my love, I want you to know there is a way forward. The Feminine Voice series was created for you to help you step out of survival communication and step into feminine peace and power. Inside, you will discover the mantras, the practices, and the daily reset tools that help shift the way you show up and invite love back into your life. This is your space to soften, your space to heal, your space to reclaim your feminine strength. And I want you to start right now with my free Feminine Reset lecture. Go to femininevoiceseries.com, download it today, and then continue into the full series where your transformation truly begins.